Creating a work order on the NetFacilities system is very straightforward. First choose a site, next a building, then an area. Explain where in that area the work is taking place, then choose a service type and a symptom or task. You can also classify a work order, set priority levels, and include budgeted hours. Once we approve an output, this will take us to the screen where we can assign the work order. This is where we will choose from in-house staff or from an outside vendor. Once we choose that individual to which we're assigning the work order, we can now click Approve and Send. That person gets an email notification summarizing the work order, and this is what your work order will look like. It will have all the details about who originated it, the location, and what needs to be done, and the all-important audit trail that tells you real-time and date-stamped information about what happened every step of the way with the work order. You will also have branding on the NetFacilities platform, so we can place your logo in the upper left-hand corner. To close out a work order, we can use the Action button to enter the closeout area. This is where we can put in details and the date that the work was completed. We can also put in labor, deplete materials in real time, track vendor costs, include billable services, and attach files such as images of the work that we did. Once we click on Closeout, the work order will change status to completed. We then have the option to do electronic follow-ups and track the successful completion of that work order until it closes and goes into history.